why we have to practice self-love. Okay, sometimes people have a different sort of self-love. They think like, I have to love myself, I'm better than you, and blah blah blah. If you do like that, that means you send out the energy of greedy or the too much of self-dependence, and you think you are a better person than other people. So the energy that you send out will attract the people who exactly do the same as what you done to other people. So how to practice self-love, and why did you have to practice self-love? Because self-love is mean people cannot cross the line that you are creating. And because okay, self-love is mean like you will not you will not have any feelings of fear, loss, sad, or anything when any relationship come and go, because you not abandon yourself, because you have a self-love. That means you understand why they come in to help you to grow in which way, and you understand why they leave, because they are finished the contract with you, or you have learned each other enough, then you have to move on to the next stage. That means you have self-love, because you understanding. People misunderstanding between self-love inside and outside. So people many times they try to do like make up, going out, party, eat some nice food. That's called self-love. Okay, that is one of the self-love thing, but there is many things about self-love inside. One thing I'm gonna talk is about like you don't let people cross your boundary. You can tell them that this I like, this I'm not like, and you don't lower yourself for the relationship that lower than your standard. Lower than your standard, it doesn't mean you're a better person than other people, but it means that relationship are not matched with your energy or make you feel a little bit awkward, and you still have to meet that person anyway, because you feel guilty, or you feel like okay, you have to meet them because they are a little bit nice or something like that, but you don't have to do anything which is not matched with your energy, because that will make your self-worth lower every day, because you lower yourself, because you don't listen to your heart and you don't respect your energy. You let yourself be around other people that's not match your energy. So this is not self-love. So you have to come back to respect your energy and have your boundary, and as well as mercy to other people, because you look at them as a one of the persons that come to help you, come to trigger you, come to help you grow. Because without other person, you would know that where you have to practice to self-love, where you have to change yourself. Maybe you might be too greedy, you might be too selfish, so you have to practice your self-boundary or thing. So people come to help you, everybody come to help you, so you look at them as a mercy and love. But you don't have to let them come into your sacred heart, because this is your place that no one can touch except you. Because if someone are not belong to your heart, don't let them in. But you can send, because you have a lot of heart, right? You can send the love out, but you don't have to let them come to hurt you. That's all. Actually, a lot of self-love I'm gonna talking about. One of the thing about self-love is how to invest in yourself. Invest in yourself in not just a pretty outside, but invest in yourself in the knowledge that will make you grow. Invest in yourself that make your soul and your heart grow, like study something or do the journaling, try to do meditation, try to grounding, to do anything that's called the investing for your inner self, and also as well as outside self, to make it balanced way. And okay, what else? There is a lot of self-love I'm trying to say. Like, okay, that's it for now. I mean, the next chapter I will talk more. Thank you.